To determine if you can use Albert without a bank account, it is essential to understand what Albert is and how it functions. Albert is a financial service that helps users manage their finances, track expenses, and set savings goals. The platform is designed to work in conjunction with your existing bank account, allowing you to link your account and access various financial tools and features. However, Albert also offers some features that do not require a linked bank account. For instance, you can use Albert to track your income and expenses manually, set budgets, and receive financial advice. You can also use the platform to set and work towards savings goals without needing to link a bank account. If you want to use Albert's more advanced features, such as automated savings and investment tracking, you will need to link a bank account. This is because these features require access to your financial data, which can only be obtained by linking your bank account. To use Albert without a bank account, you can follow these steps. First, sign up for an Albert account, which can be done through the website or mobile app. Once you have created your account, you can start using the platform's manual tracking features to monitor your income and expenses. You can also set budgets and savings goals, and receive financial advice from the platform. It is essential to note that while you can use some of Albert's features without a bank account, the platform is designed to work best when linked to a bank account. By linking your account, you can access more advanced features and get a more comprehensive view of your finances. In conclusion, you can use Albert without a bank account, but the experience will be limited compared to users who have linked their accounts. To get the most out of the platform, it is recommended that you link your bank account, which will give you access to more features and allow you to track your finances more effectively.